Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Jennifer Etherton, the founder of Moonlight Mobile Notary in Fishers, Indiana. Last time we discussed the minor's permission to travel form and when it is needed. Today I was going to discuss the steps to getting court documents notarized. The reality is, whether you have civil, divorce, or even criminal court documents that need to be notarized, the process is the same as with any other document. There's no special procedure to getting these documents notarized. Instead, I want to address the question as to why notarized documents hold so much weight in the court of law. For every video I post, there is a lot of research that goes into the subject. If you are ever curious, I always post links to my sources in the description box of every video. This video was no different. Originally, I wanted to discuss getting court documents notarized and any special aspects that you might want to know. While going over the procedures I use for court documents, such as probate, civil actions, divorce, and even some criminal cases, I found there is nothing special about how a notarization appointment will work. Further research confirmed my findings, but I did stumble upon a different question. I found many asking what weight do notarized documents carry in court, and if it's worth going the extra step. The short answer is notarized documents carry a great deal of weight. In some courtrooms, affidavits that aren't notarized are rejected outright, while in others, the unnotarized document is given little weight at all. One of the biggest reasons for this is it saves the court a lot of legwork. If a document has been notarized, it means the signature within the document are automatically assumed to be authentic. Most judges will not openly question the validity of a notary seal, which means this type of evidence is accepted during the course of a trial or arbitration. One of the major reasons notarized documents hold so much weight is because they are designed to prevent fraud. This is done by the notary examining the IDs of all the named parties of the document before affixing his or her stamp. He or she is also acting as an additional witness to a legal agreement. The decision to complete the notarization itself, after meeting with the parties involved and evaluating their identities, confirms to the court the document in question was created with the knowledge and consent of all involved. While this isn't a perfect system, it does reduce the likelihood of the document being fraudulently authorized or validated. In contrast, the ease of which a non-notarized document can be fraudulent or inaccurate makes the notarized evidence a much safer option. If there is any question to the validity of a notarized document, the court can very easily call the notary in question to testify. Even though notarized documents hold a great deal of weight within the court system, they are not required. In the case of contracts, the language within the document and the spelling out of terms is enough to make that document legally binding, whether or not it has been notarized. The notarization is just an additional layer of protection, not the final word on whether or not a document is accepted during a legal proceeding. One side effect of having a document notarized is it can protect a party from legal action. Since the notarization authenticates the document, it is much more difficult to call it into question. In the end, the notarized document holds more weight than a non-notarized document in many courts of law. While they are not the final word on evidence used in any proceeding, it is not uncommon for their existence to help whichever side presents them. If you found this information informative and would like to know more about the notary world, estate planning, real estate, and the joys of adulting, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Next time we will be diving into what it takes to get a notary in jail or prison. Until then, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on Sunday.